Across America, young people are graduating with debt, not direction. They're told education is the key, yet too many earn degrees that don't open doors. Meanwhile, employers face a growing crisis, a skilled workforce gap that no diploma alone can fill. For first-generation college students, low-income youth, military-connected individuals, and underserved communities, the pathway to success has long been fragmented. Until now, that is.
Hello, my name is Dr. Tracy Edmond, and I'm the founder and executive director of Calvary, a nonprofit organization dedicated to workforce development. At Calvary, we're reimagining what career readiness truly looks like. We've launched an exciting new initiative, degree-based apprenticeships, an innovative model grounded in one powerful belief. Every student deserves the opportunity to earn while they learn and to graduate with credentials, hands-on experience, and a job offer in hand. This model blends college coursework, industry-recognized credentials, and real-world apprenticeships to create a clear, supportive pathway from high school to college graduation and ultimately to full-time paid employment. It's a model that's already seen tremendous success across Europe, and we're proud to bring it to the United States, starting with our pilot program in South Texas. Our focus is on students who face economic barriers, and our mission is to help them to achieve financial independence, to break the cycles of poverty, and to step confidently into a future filled with purpose and opportunity.
This is more than a program. It's a movement, one that transforms the traditional education to career pipeline into a purpose-driven path. We're building a 2-year model for community colleges and a 4-year model for universities. We're embedding apprenticeships into the high school to career pipeline through dual credit and early exposure. Our model is scalable, it's inclusive, and it's already working.
We've been invited to pilot this work right here in San Antonio, an incredible opportunity to transform the future for students across the region. We're grateful to have outstanding partners walking with us on this journey, including SA Ready to Work, the City of San Antonio, the San Antonio Area Foundation, local universities, community colleges, and a growing network of committed employers. But to truly scale, we need more partners who share our vision, that the future of education isn't just about degrees. It's about equipping students with the tools, confidence, and experience they need to thrive in meaningful, lifelong careers.
Join us. Invest in a future where students don't just graduate, they launch. Where equity is built into every opportunity, where education meets experience, and lives are forever changed.